A washing machine, or washer-dryer's wash load, refers to how much weight the appliance's drum can hold when washing clothes. A washer-dryer will have both a wash load and a dry load. Dry loads are generally smaller than wash loads, as more room is needed for hot air to move around the drum. We believe the bigger the drum, the better, as it generally means using the machine less. Let's take a look at load sizes. Anything up to 7 kilograms will hold 12 items of clothing, or one single duvet. 8 to 9 kilograms will hold 16 items of clothing, or one double duvet. 10 to 11 kilograms will hold 20 items of clothing, or one king-size duvet. And anything over 12 kilograms will hold 24 items of clothing, or one super king-size duvet. Your machine should only ever be 3/4 full to avoid overloading. To test, you should be able to get your hand on top of your laundry when in the drum.